Hello, and welcome to the Notary News Channel. This is a forum for all things notary and some things not. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can receive notification of the latest video updates for those professionals who aspire to a higher level of professionalism and a better work-life balance. My name is Desiree Roman Rodriguez. I'm a subject matter expert in all things notary in the state of Illinois, and I'm also an enrolled agent credentialed by the Internal Revenue Service to prepare taxes and represent taxpayers all the way up to the U.S. Tax Court. This week on the forum, we're going to be talking about the upcoming tax season. Specifically, one line item that before you could only deduct on your tax return if you were itemizing your taxes. Now, this one item is going to be what's called above the line. Anything above the line means it doesn't matter if you have a Schedule A or not, you are able to take the deduction to reduce your taxable income. So some of the things that you're able to do that right now is your student interest loan payments. That's considered above the line. So whether you itemize your taxes or not, you are able to take that deduction to reduce your taxable income. Also, alimony payments. If you pay alimony for a divorce that happened before the end of 2018, you are able to make the deductions of those payments to reduce your taxable income. For the upcoming tax season, charitable contributions will now be above the line. That is fantastic news. Make sure that you understand exactly what it means, though, to have charitable contributions. One, it has to be to a 501c3 tax-exempt organization. It can't be GoFundMe pages for people who are having problems and you're making financial contributions to. Unless that organization is a 501c3, you are not able to deduct those kinds of charitable gifts off of your taxes. Also, political contributions are not tax deductible. If you are making a contribution, for example, to a charity dinner, and you receive a dinner in exchange for your contribution, you would only be able to deduct anything above the cost of the dinner. The dinner itself would not be tax deductible. So, also, if you are donating clothing items, household items, first of all, you have to get that done before December 31st, and that's for any charitable contribution. It has to be paid by you or a check written dated before December 31st. So if you haven't made those trips to Goodwill or to the Salvation Army or any organization like that, then you want to make sure you go drop off your household goods and clothing before December 31st. And you have to make sure you obtain a receipt. A receipt is going to be critical in the event there's ever an audit. Also, if you are unsure what to value the items that you are donating, there is a specific amount that you are limited to claim for items that you are donating in regards to clothing and household goods. If you need a list to know what those amounts are, you can send an email to info@romanendeavors.com, and in the subject you can put donation values, and then we will send you a list of what you can value your clothing and household items when you're making donations to Goodwill or Salvation Army or other comparable donation places. If you are making donations to drop boxes, stop doing that because you cannot get a receipt for making donations to drop boxes. You have to be able to prove you made the donations. So drop off your donations or make the payments for your donations before December 31st. If you're making your tithes to church or any other religious organization, you may deduct those donations as well. Make sure that you get a letter or a statement that says how much you contributed in your tithings over the course of the year, and then that would be tax deductible as well. So that's going to be all that I have for this week. If you have any questions, you can post in the comments below, or you can send an email to info@romanendeavors.com. But if you haven't made your donations yet, go make those donations and make sure you get those receipts. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.